again unboxing. Just local. Surprise from someone. Buksan natin. Charan! What's this? What? Wow! Let me check. One. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Uy, ang dami. Oops, what's this? Empowered consumerism, coffee glow, premium micro-brand collagen coffee mix. Oh wow! This is cool coffee. Oh yes. How many? One, 2, 3. 4, 5. Oh, this is barley. I have barley. This is cool. Oh wow, this is very, very cool. Honey lemon flavor. Okay, I have 2 and 3 barley. Wow, very, very cool. Oops. Collagen. Wow. Then another one. What's this? Arabica coffee. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. And this is for another glow. What do you call this? Fermented hydrolyzed collagen peptide. Ooh. Yes, sure. And still there is Naturaceuticals. Round the clock nutrition. And what's this? Angel E. Dietary supplement. That's cool. And this one is white light. Is this white light glutathione spray? Direction second before using spray. Spray twice under the tongue. Oh really? Oh, this is good. Okay, good. And another coffee. This is cool. I have this everything. Okay, this one for that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then and okay, then one from this. Oops, it's okay. Hindi ko na. 3 bags of barley glow. Wow, it's very cool. And I have these 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 packs of Coffee Glow Coffee Mix. This is so cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. This one. Angel E supplement. Thank you so much for this surprise. Thanks a lot. I need this coffee. We'll try it with the barley too. To those who want halal, it's halal product. And also the coffee with halal tatak. It's good for those who want. Oops. The eye glow is also halal with halal tatak. Yes. So that's cool. Yan. Tumayo ka dyan. I'll open the coffee and try it. Wow. Ayan, open na natin. Ayan ang laman. Oh, this is sachet. Let me check. Oops. Ayan. Okay, like a 3-in-1 also. Ayan. Let's try and make a coffee. Just for you. Coffee Glow. Let's try this. Let's try this collagencoffee. Premium microgram collagen coffee mix. Oh, this is cool.